Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve the Mac DeMarco sound in FL Studio. First, let's set up your project with the right tempo, typically between 120 and 140 beats per minute, and choose a major key. Incorporate some vintage-style synth pads to lay down a warm, underlying texture. You might also experiment with tuning your guitar slightly off 440 Hz for that signature, slightly detuned character. For guitar, a Fender Stratocaster or similar single-coil instrument is ideal for bright, jangly tones. Crucially, add chorus and vibrato effects to create that signature shimmering, slightly wobbly sound. When it comes to bass, keep it simple. Often, just playing the root notes of your chords will suffice. Don't forget to use a capo on your guitar to easily play open chords in different keys, adding to that distinctive sustain. For drums, opt for acoustic samples and drench them in reverb to create a spacious, almost live room feel. The patterns should be simple and laid back, prioritizing a relaxed groove over intricate fills. When processing vocals, a prominent slapback delay combined with generous reverb will give them that dreamy, distant quality. Apply light compression to keep the vocals present without sounding overly processed, maintaining their natural dynamics. When mixing, a tape emulation plugin on your master track is essential for that warm, vintage character. For guitars, emphasize the mid and high frequencies in your EQ to ensure clarity and that signature jangle. Keep your bass frequencies clean and well-defined to prevent any muddiness in the low end. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, don't overprocess. A lo-fi aesthetic often benefits from a less is more approach.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.